Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the Chrysler Group Certified 2015 Chrysler Town & Country Touring. Stock number B9937A. 37,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group Certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable, and DVD player. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power venting rear quarter windows. All rear windows have sunshades. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can, of course, fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This touring has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Rear DVD player controls, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated seats, as well as heated steering wheel. Slide out cup holders, storage and power outlets below. Even more space in the removable center console. Dual glove boxes with the owner's manual inside. Liftgate and sliding door controls, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Town & Country has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon and a city average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.